What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to write the molecular formula or chemical formula of manganese 2 sulfate. So first of all I start with this one. So we have Mn for manganese 2, and then sulfate is polyatomic ion, which is SO4 2 minus. Then I can write the chemical formula for MnSO4. If you have 2 here and 2 here, they cancel out, so it's gonna be just MnSO4. Now I want to show you how to find the molar mass or molecular weight of MnSO4. The first thing, I need to list all the elements Mn, S, and O for oxygen, sulfur, and manganese. Then I need to find out the atomic mass of each of these elements. Mn is 54.938, sulfur is 32.06, and oxygen is 15.999. How many atoms we have? For manganese we have just 1, sulfur we have just 1, and oxygen we have 4 of them. So then we have 54.938, here we have 32.06, and 4 times 15.999 is gonna be, I need to calculate it, 15.999 times 4, that makes it 63.996. Then all of them, added all of them, and then 54.938. That makes it 150.994 grams per mole. So that's the molar mass or molecular weight of manganese 2 sulfate. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel.